Hi guys, thank you for joining. So we're going to be having a session on the Hacktober Fest. Shivendra will be explaining everything, right from how to participate and all the perks. Over to you, Shivendra.
Okay, thank you, Chinmay. Uh, I hope I am audible. Am I
Yes.
clearly audible?
Yep.
Just confirm, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me present the screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, uh, hack. So, what is Hacktoberfest? So, Hacktoberfest is an open source event which is conducted in the month of October and is conducted by DigitalOcean and with app and Docker. Uh, so, what is open source? So open source, we use many open source software in day-to-day life, uh, and like GitHub and everything. So in Hacktoberfest, we have to contribute to those softwares or some coding organization, some non-coding organization to help them and to make their course and m- उनके कोर्स जो होते हैं वो हमें अच्छे करके देने होते हैं ऐसा रहता है तो what are the perks after completing Hacktoberfest? So the main thing is you will learn how to use GitHub and how to you will be familiar with open source. So and the main thing is after completion of their task, that is you have to complete pull requests, and after completing that you will get the swags from DigitalOcean and Hacktoberfest. So the swags mainly contain t-shirt, stickers, and many more things. And other organizations also provides different swags after completion of Hacktoberfest. So and you can try along with me. You can register along with me. So I'll start now. So I'll initiate with my GitHub account. So yeah, here my GitHub account is registered with them. So here I am. You have to tick for contributor. So because you are going to merge and pull request, and I'm also going to be maintainer. So I'll doing maintainer. So here, depending upon your experience level, tick the experience level, and depending upon the contribution you are going to contribute in, tick those, and then here country. And check the other things and uh, check the tick boxes, and then click on register. You will be registered for Hacktoberfest.
Shivendra, can I break you for a minute?
What? Hello?
Hi.
Hello.
Before we continue, there's something I'd like to share. So, for the Innovathon that we're conducting this year, the Android Study Jams Hackathon, we have a very generous sponsor, Mr. Atish Jain, and he and his company, AH Careers Private Limited, are going to be sponsoring us for the hackathon. So, he's here to join and give a basic introduction about his company. So, sir, if you could. Sir, you're on mute.
Now, Can you check?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So guys, very good evening, and if you can hear me, just type loud and clear in the chat box. If you can hear me, just type loud and clear. Very good. Thank you so much, guys. And before I start the session, one more thing I would like to know about you. You just type from which era of engineering you are, like first, second, third, fourth, and what's your branch? What's your branch? Second year computer science. Very good. Third year computer science. Fine. Like we have 25 members. So I have only 2-3 answers. So guys, please come on. So we have like computer science students. Great. IT. IT is also close to computer science only. There is no much difference. Fine. So guys, before we join into engineering, we do a lot of research that which branch of engineering to join, whether it is IT, CSC, or EEE, mechanical. But can you type in the chat box that which branch of engineering is having the craze in the market, like everyone's first choice? Just type in the chat box. Everyone's first choice. Very good. It's like computer science first, and if you don't get in computer science, then people will generally choose for IT. Am I right? Fine, good. But when it comes to campus placements, students from different branches also coming for campus placements or not. Students from ECE, students from EEE, students from mechanical, everyone is competing for campus placements. That's nothing but for software jobs. So you should be feel so proud and lucky enough that you are in computer science and IT. And guys, can you tell me like what are the 2 different categories of companies we have in the market? It will be an interactive session, so you have to keep on interacting with me. What are the 2 different categories of companies we have in the market? Anyone can try it? Product-based and service-based. Very good. R.O. Sinha. Thank you so much. Product-based companies and service-based companies. Product-based and service-based. Okay. Product-based companies will go for selective hiring. Means they do nearly 8 to 9 to pick one candidate. And if you want to get placed in product-based company, then don't rush towards fancy terms in the market. Just focus on your C, C++, data structures and algorithms, and solve so many coding questions from coding platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeChef, etc. But not only product-based companies, there are so many people who get placed without doing any competitive programming also. See, there are so many students who are really worried that, hey, if I'm not good at competitive programming, then what I should do? It's okay, no problem. Everyone need not to be good at competitive programming. We need to have software developers also. So there are totally 2 streams. One is competitive programming and second one is like software development. So you can try on software development also. And if you want to work with software development, then the base languages what we have to learn is Java, Python. These 2 are the base languages you have to learn first if you want to go on a service-based company. In service-based companies, there is mass hiring and there is mass firing. Did you know that point? Just type in the chat box. In service-based companies, there is mass hiring and there is mass firing. Means companies will go to a college, they'll conduct a drive and pick like 100, 200, 500 members. The fast you get job, the fast you may lose the job also. So if you want to get secure in your job, the only thing what you require is you should be very good at your foundation level fundamentals, and you should be very good at your domain knowledge. Knowledge of domain is very, very important. So this is what some message I thought of giving to you guys. And if you are not good at C++, if you're not good at C++, then first you start building that skills, start building that C++ programming languages. And if you want, I have written a material, I have designed a course on C++. I'll give you the ebook link in the chat window. You can download it anytime, whenever you are free. So this is what I promised, that I'll be giving my course material to all the students who are participating in this Android hackathon. So thank you so much, team. That's it. That's it from my side. And now I would like to take questions if students has any questions. Otherwise, it's okay. I'm fine, because I don't want to take much of your time. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me. And if you want to know more about me, you can just Google it. You can just go through. Fine, thank you. You can just go through LinkedIn profile and you can check it out about myself. So that's why I don't want to beat around the bush saying that I am so and so, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So thank you so much. Wish you all the best, and keep rocking, keep coding, and keep going.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You can continue. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yes. Shivendra, over to you.
Yeah. Just a second. Okay, my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
So we have registered for Hacktober Fest, and after completing of this 4 pull request or merge request, you will be able to get the swags from DigitalOcean and Hacktober Fest side. So how to do that? So now I hope everyone is having their GitHub account. So go to your GitHub and search for Hacktober Fest 2022, and you'll get lots of repositories which are accepting Hacktober Fest, and you can contribute to them in coding as well as non-coding thing. And so after completion of 4 pull requests, and those pull requests should be accepted by that repository maintainer, so you'll be able to get the swags. And one more thing I want to tell you, that our GDSC has also made 3 repositories for you guys, so you can contribute to them also. Just let me, just a second. So here are the 3 repositories for the Hacktober Fest 2022. So the first one is data science, visualization, and pre-processing. So here you can add the data science pre-processing and visualization made by you, and contribute to that repository. In a machine learning repository, you can add a basic models of machine learning, or any project that you had done previously, that you can also add in machine learning repository. And the one is portfolio templates, so where you can add your portfolio template, portfolio websites also, in any format, HTML or maybe doc file, you can add there in any format. So these are the three repositories. I hope you guys are clear. So if you have any doubts related to Hacktoberfest and how to do these things. So one more thing, for if you want to contribute in this repository, so first of all you have to fork this repository, which help you to which will make the repository available to your GitHub ID. So now I'll click on create fork. Now this repository will be created on my account, and after that make a branch and and create a branch and upload your uh, create a branch by your name and upload your whatever you want to upload, and then you'll with the help of Git you will be able to merge that request. You can uh, send pull request to us and we'll be accepting the valid pull requests. I think that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Shivendra, just can you show the data visualization repository?
Yeah, just a sec.
So
Yeah.
yeah, for data visualizations, we have provided the data set here. So you can make a pull request and download the data set, which is on electric vehicles. So basically, what we are expecting is that you can practice data visualizations and also data pre-processing on this data set. It is a simple data set, so yeah, anyone can do that. So basically, you have to create a folder of your we have created some folders for the language that is used. Like if you're using Python for like Matplotlib and etc., the libraries that you use for data visualizations. So you can upload your Python notebook on in that folder. And if the language is not the language which is not mentioned over there, you can create a new folder with the name of that particular language that you're using. So yeah, I hope that you guys contribute to the repositories that we have created. One is machine learning, the second is data visualization, and the third is the template. So yeah, and the data visualizations content is on the master branch, not on the main branch. We have provided everything in the README file, which you can read on the main branch. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Akash, to answer your question, contribute in what sense? You have to create pull requests, a minimum of 4. So, Shivendra, if you could show the pull requests.
Yeah, just a second. So on the page of Hacktoberfest, you will be able to see how many pull requests you have done. And so basically, what is pull request? After completing the code, you upload in your forked branch, and after that, uh, there will be option of send pull request or merge request. You have to click on that. After that, the merge request will be sent to the maintainer of that branch, and if your pull request is valid, then that person will accept your pull request, and that merge request will be uh, shown here. So I think you got the answer. Any other doubts? Rian, actually, I am not able to get your question.
And yeah, we will be sharing the links on the group, WhatsApp group itself as well. So don't worry about that. And yeah, if you have any trouble when you are like doing the merge request, pull request, so you can ask us on the group or DM us like the ones which you can DM us on our WhatsApp group as well. So yeah.
Why anything, if you are facing any trouble, you can contact us anytime. That's not issue.
I'll share the WhatsApp invite link over here. Just a minute. All our updates, event updates will be on this link. So if any of you haven't joined, do join in.
And yeah, it's not necessary that you have to contribute to these repos itself. Like any repositories that you find on the GitHub, which are linked to the Hacktober Fest, you can contribute to them as well.
Any other doubts, guys?
Okay, if you face any issues, any problems, you can contact us on WhatsApp. And the video will be available on YouTube soon. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, guys. In the time of INSEM, you are all are here. So thank you so much.